Hello everyone and welcome back. So, out there are a number of guides on how to pressure wash a car's engine, and most of them have one thing in common: protect the electronic components like the alternator, spark plugs, battery, stuff like that. Oh, and besides that, also be careful with the air filter. When you think about it, it does make sense. But what happens if you ignore that and just go ahead and wash it? Well, let's find out. So, for those of you who don't know, this Golf, well, the engine at least, has been through hell. And yes, it still runs. Sort of. And just to prove it to you, it runs. And so, this is what I will be using, a Karcher K2. It's not the best pressure washer out there, but it gets the job done. My main concern is, of course, the battery and the alternator, because electricity doesn't go exactly well together with water. First, I will clean the majority of the dirt with just plain water. Then, I will use soap. Not a special car washing soap, just regular dishwashing soap, and then again rinse it with water. Let's see how it goes. Right, here we go. Wow. All right, I guess time for soap. All right, it's been sitting for 2-3 minutes. Smells kind of nice, like peppermint. Now, time to get the engine nice and shiny. Huh, I think the alternator is still a bit dirty. That should do it. The engine is still greasy and muddy. Ugh, that didn't help the slightest bit. Well, could also be because I was using just plain dishwashing soap. Now, let's see if it starts up. You can see there's vapor coming up from the exhaust. I hope it's vapor. Yeah, that's vapor. It is shaking, but I think it's running low on gas. Awesome! Right, so that's that. For now, everything seems to be working, but of course, you would still be on a safer side if you would just cover the alternator with a bag, remove the battery, and cover the fuse box if you have one in your engine compartment. And actually, I know a guy who runs a business and has a ton of cars. He washes them by himself, and every now and then he also washes the engine compartment. And he said that maybe once a year he would ruin an alternator. But that's, I don't know, out of 100 engine washes. So my guess is it's probably safe to wash the engine compartment, but to be on the safe side, be careful with the electronics. Right, Thank you guys for sticking around this long. If you liked the video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.